Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we are doing yet again another Dollarama haul. I know you guys really enjoy these, and so do I. You guys already know how much I love the Dollarama, okay? So in today's haul, I have quite a few goodies to show you, some new finds, some Christmas items. We've got some good stuff, and I can't wait to show you, so let's go ahead and get right into this haul. Okay, so I might as well first start out with the wrapping paper that I picked up. So I picked up 2 rolls. They were $2 each. I don't remember the dimensions right now, but they're pretty big rolls. So I picked up this red truck one right here. I just thought it was so cute. And then I went ahead and got this one right here. So it has like a little snowman. I think that's like a little deer, and then the Christmas tree as well. And I just thought these were so nice. Like I really like them. I usually do just like plain brown wrapping paper, and then I'll kind of dress it up with like ribbons or bows. But I am like the type of person, if I'm gonna do multiple wrapping papers, I kind of want them to all like not match, but kind of flow together, you know what I mean? So I figured these ones, they definitely don't match, but I feel like they really do kind of, you know, go together. And then also my plain brown one, I think it's gonna be a cute little mix of wrapping papers, you know? Let me know in the comments below, you guys like that? Do you like to match your wrapping paper? Or do you like to do, you know, fun, crazy designs? Are you like plain? Let me know what kind of wrapping paper you like to do. Okay, so you guys know I typically save food for the end, but I'm just so excited about this find. I have to show you right now. Look at these bad boys right here. I'm going to show you up close so you can really see how freaking cute these are. So if you don't know what these are, they're essentially candy cane spoons. And that's all I needed to see. As soon as I saw candy cane spoons, I'm like, yup. Mine immediately. But how awesome are these going to be in like a hot chocolate? The cool thing is you can put it inside your cup and just let it melt down and have like a, you know, pepperminty candy cane hot chocolate or coffee or whatever you want to do. But I think it's going to really pair well with hot chocolate. I honestly cannot wait to use these. And the greatest part to you guys, these were only $1.50 and you get 6 spoons in there. So I thought that was pretty cool. I just thought these were so neat. I could not get these, you know? All right, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and take a quick break from the haul, but don't worry, we'll get back to it pretty soon. But I want to talk to you guys about my Teddy Blake bag. You guys already know how much I love Teddy Blake. I have a few of these purses now, and I'm just genuinely so obsessed with them. But they are currently having a huge sale, I believe up to 75% off the entire website, which is amazing. And the reason why I'm talking about the bags right now is because Christmas is right around the corner. If you want to spoil somebody and get them a nice gift, get them one of these bags. I have had this bag since, I think it was in the summertime, I believe. It's held up so nicely. 100% honest, you guys, these are the best quality bags that I own. And just like look at it close up, like their bags are genuinely so gorgeous. These are Italian crafted with premium leather. So you are definitely getting like top-notch quality. I just love these so much, you guys. And the crazy thing is, like I said, I got this back in like the summertime, and it literally looks the exact same as when I got it then, and I wear it literally all the time. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and chat about Teddy Blake for a bit and their amazing bags. Like I said, Christmas is just around the corner. Get yourself a cute bag, or get somebody in your life a cute bag. They're having a huge sale right now, so this is the time to get one. So if you are interested, or you just want to go ahead and like browse their website, look at all their purses, they have so many, it's insane, or you just want to go ahead and check out the sale, I will have the link listed down below, so you can go ahead and click that and go browsing. So thank you so much, Teddy Blake, for sponsoring a portion of this video. Definitely go ahead and check out their bags. But anyways, let's go ahead and get back into the haul. Okay, this next thing I picked up, I genuinely think it's the cutest thing I've ever seen. I'm so excited about these. So these are like wooden LED string lights, or like little fairy lights. And you can't really see it too well in the box right now, but they're little reindeer, and look at that, just how cute is that? So they do have a few different kinds of these. They have the little reindeer, I think they have Christmas trees, stars, and they do have something else, I believe. I can't remember exactly what it is now, but I was just obsessed with these. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out of the box so you can actually see what they look like. And also these were $4. So these do require 2 AA batteries. Unfortunately, they don't come with it. I wish they did, but this is what the actual light itself looks like. So as you can see, it's just a little wooden reindeer with the heart. I'm gonna go ahead and turn these on so you guys can see what the light actually looks like. So it is definitely a warmer light. I'm always really curious about that. Like when I go to the dollar store and I see lights that I like, and they don't say what kind of light they are, I'm like, okay, are you warm? Are you cool? What are you? These are definitely a warm light for sure. I don't know how well you guys can see, but they're definitely on the warmer side. Oh my goodness, you guys, but these are seriously just the cutest things I've ever seen. Imagine these like draped over your fireplace or something like that. How cute would that be? Or even you could put these like on your tree. Oh my goodness, I don't know exactly what I'm doing with mine yet, but I thought they were too adorable to pass up. I believe I did mention this in a previous dollar store haul, but I'm so impressed with their like Christmas selection this year. Like they have some really awesome stuff that you could seriously get at like Michael's, HomeSense, places like that, and for so much cheaper as well. Okay, next I went ahead and picked up these right here. So these are actually gift card holders, and they are ugly sweater gift card holders. Let me just show you up close so you can see how adorable these are. I'm a big ugly sweater fanatic, let me tell you that right now. I only own one, which is very unfortunate. I do want to get more, but I love them. So I think this is the cutest thing ever. So you get 6 of these in here and they are $1.25. So you get the red gingerbread one, the kind of like green candy cane one, and then the blue cactus one. I did not realize these had cactuses on it, but that's kind of cute. But yeah, I just think this is a really adorable way to kind of like dress up your gift card, make it a little bit more Christmassy, and you know, just not have it as like, here you go, here's a card, you can put it in a cute little sleeve. Next, I picked up what might be the most adorable gift box I've ever seen in my entire life. So it's kind of shaped like a little gingerbread house, and that is what all the sides look like right there. It is so cute, you guys. So this was $2.50, but I think it's actually a pretty decent size for a gift box. Like you do get quite a bit of room in there, so I think that's pretty good. I know exactly whose present I'm putting in here, and I am very excited about it. Okay, I am so excited for this find right here. I have been eyeing this for like quite some time now, but I just kind of always like talked myself out of getting it for some reason. I don't know. Why is that a thing we do? I don't know. But anyways, this is a holiday gingerbread cast iron pan. That is what the packaging looks like up close there. So this is Betty Crocker. So it's definitely not like overly huge. This is what it looks like compared to my head. And that is what it looks like up close there. But I think this would be perfect if you want to do like maybe a bigger size cookie in this or something like that. So it says on the box here, this is durable and pre-seasoned. It says perfect for making individual size cookies, brownies, and muffins. And it says ideal for side dishes and holiday dips. Oh my goodness, I didn't even think about that. This would be perfect for a dip. Oh my goodness, I'm definitely doing that. But yeah, like I said, super excited about this find. They also did have a Christmas tree one as well, and I want to say they had a different one other than that too. I can't remember. Also, you guys, something I want to mention that I almost forgot. This is such a heavy pan, like it's honestly insane. Definitely great quality and definitely durable. Okay, next, speaking of Miss Betty Crocker, I went ahead and picked up some parchment paper. This is the holiday themed parchment paper, so it has little like Christmas trees on it, like that. I don't know how well you guys can see, but it is adorable. Again, they had a couple different kinds for this as well. This is the silver, but they also had gold Christmas trees. They had stars, and they might have had something else as well, but I just thought this was so cute. So you do get 8 sheets in here for $1.50, so I mean, it's definitely not the best deal in the world, but you know what? It's adorable. It's Christmas time. Why not, you know? Ooh, I didn't even realize this. They give you little cookie recipes on the back. That is so cute. Okay, next, speaking of cookies, I went ahead and got this 2 cookie plate set. So I bought this actually for my gift video that I did recently. I'll go ahead and link that card up here if you guys want to go check it out. But I actually never ended up using it. So this is actually a pretty good deal though, you guys. You get 2 plates, 2 cellophane bags, 2 ribbons, and 2 tags for $2. I think that's pretty good, and I think it's actually really cute as well. So it's like a silver snowflake. But yeah, I never ended up using these. I definitely will though. I'm not gonna let it go to waste. But I think this would be great if you want to do like a there's like this Christmas mix that a lot of people do. It's like with Chex Mix and something else. I can't remember what it's called right now, but it's kind of like a finger food, and I think this would be really great to put that in, you know what I mean? If anybody knows what I'm talking about, go ahead and comment it down below, because I seriously am totally blanking on the name. I can't remember it at all. Oh my goodness, you guys, I cannot believe I almost forgot about this one. This is another find that I was just so excited for. So this is a little mug and spoon set, and it comes in its own like gift box. I just think this is seriously the cutest thing ever. So this is what it looks like up close here. It's a little red gingerbread, and it has the white mug. I love this, you guys. Again, with this, they did also have different designs. So if you didn't want to go with this one, they had tons of others to choose from. They also had different colors. So they had like a tree, they had like a candy cane, I think, something else. But I just thought this one was the cutest one there. This was $3, and I thought that was pretty good. I was honestly expecting this to be $4. So I was really happy about that, you guys. You get a mug, a spoon, and a cute gift box for $3. I think that's a steal. How nice of a little Christmas gift, or even a stocking stuffer would this be, you guys? Like that would be so nice. Okay, next I went ahead and picked up a makeup bag. I thought it was really pretty. I just thought the color was really unique. It's kind of like a silvery blue, and then it almost has like this kind of like faded design to it. So I did go ahead and keep the tag so I know the price. So this was $1.50 and it's by the brand Lori, and you guys know I really enjoy that brand. I think this would be a perfect little, you know, makeup traveling bag, or even to give this as a stocking stuffer, honestly. But speaking about the makeup bag, you guys, the dollar store has new makeup and I'm just honestly blown away by this. So the first one I picked up is by the brand Hard Candy, and this is their Baked Blush Duo. So that is what it looks like up close there, and then you can open it up and kind of see the shades better. And it comes with a little brush as well. So this is in the shade, I believe, Over the Moon. I'm not too sure about that. The number is 1226, but I actually really like the brand Hard Candy. I think they're really awesome. And honestly, guys, when it comes to blushes, I kind of prefer ones that have a little bit of a sparkle or sheen in them, because that way it's kind of like a highlight and a blush in one. I don't really like the ones that are totally just like matte, no like dimension to them whatsoever. They're okay, I wear them, but I would definitely much rather have something with a little bit of sheen. This was obviously $4, but I think for a brand name like Hard Candy, I think that's pretty good. Okay, next, I'm super excited about this, guy. So this is the Almay The Complete Look Palette. At first glance, I thought this was just eyeshadow. Like, I'll show you up close. I thought these were all eyeshadow, but it's actually eyeshadow, lip product, and then blush in the middle, and I just think that's awesome. So like the Hard Candy, this one was $4 as well, but to get all that in there, I think that's like a steal of a deal. Honestly, I don't really know too much about the brand Almay. I don't know if their products are like necessarily amazing, but they are sold at Walmart, you know, Shoppers, places like that for a lot more than $4. So to get that for this price, I will take it. Okay, next I went ahead and picked up a pack of Christmas cards. So you get 20 in here, and it just gives you kind of like an assortment of different cards. So these are all the ones that you get in the pack there. So this was $3, but I honestly enjoy getting a pack like this instead of buying like singular cards. You're just spending so much more if you just buy one card at a time. If you go ahead and get a pack like this, you get 20 in there. I mean, that's pretty darn good for $3. And they're also really cute cards in here as well. I've seen a lot of singular cards and they're not even that special, and they're like $1 each. So I'm like, why would I get that when I can go ahead and get a pack? And I think this is my favorite card they get in the pack, and this is what it looks like right here. You guys know I'm an animal lover, and I just think this is so adorable. So next I went ahead and picked up some fabric ribbon. This was $1.50, and this is what the design looks like right there. So just little Christmas trees. I thought it was really pretty. So obviously I have used some of this already, and what I will say is this doesn't really go far. Like, you definitely don't get a lot on the roll. So I would say if you're planning on doing like multiple gift wraps with this or projects, I would say get like 3 or 4 of these, because one does not go a long way whatsoever. I really like it though. I think it's super pretty, but it definitely just does not last long. Okay, next, kind of a basic one, but I got a pack of bows. I got the little mini ones. I actually prefer the mini bows over the big ones. Let me know if you guys are the same way, or do you like the big ones better? Let me know. But I just think they're cuter, you know what I mean? Like the little mini ones, I think they're so pretty. So I did already go ahead and use some of these, but you get 12 of these in here for $1.25. You get gold, silver, green, and red. So kind of like your typical colors. I don't really like getting the like purple and pink and blues, just because I don't really like those for Christmas, you know what I mean? I prefer these. Okay, next, this one is really random, but I picked up a pack of glue sticks. I didn't have any, and I needed some for a DIY I was doing, so you get 4 glue sticks in here for $1.25. I thought that was a great deal. They also, you know what, I saw at the dollar store that I was kind of tempted to get, but I was like, this is the better deal, so I won't. They had Gorilla Glue brand glue stick, and I was like, that's the coolest thing I've ever seen. I was really tempted to get it, but I didn't, because this was obviously the better deal. I think that one was like $3 for one, and this is obviously $1.25 for 4, so you know, but it was tempting. Okay, so clearly we got into these a little bit, but these are the Hershey Kisses Candy Cane flavor. So this was $2, and you get, it actually does not say how many kisses you get in here, but it does say 88 grams. And what I thought was really pretty about this is it has its own like little to and from on the top here. So if you wanted to, you know, stick this in a gift or something like that, I just thought it was really pretty, the packaging alone. And then the little kisses themselves are also like packaged super cute too. I don't know if you guys can see that. And if you're wondering, yes, they taste amazing. All right, next, kind of boring, and I don't have the outer packaging to it anymore, but I picked up some tissue paper. It is just red with like little tiny iridescent sparkles in it. I thought it was really pretty. All right, I thought this one was actually pretty cool. So this is instant coffee. It's by the brand Maxwell House, but it's French vanilla flavored, and as soon as I saw that, I was like, okay, I love French vanilla. So I actually really do like Maxwell House. I think they have pretty good coffee. I've never tried the French vanilla from them, so I don't know how that's gonna be, but hopefully it's good. I honestly don't drink too much coffee other than espresso now, but I definitely will be giving this a go. Okay, next, I think this one is so neat. So this is called a Fun Mix. So it comes with, let me see here, lollipops, hard candies, filled candies, bubblegum pops, and chewy candies. So it's like a huge mix of candies in here. I thought this would be really neat, just kind of like throw in people's stockings, just, you know, throw a bunch in in there. Honestly, I'm not really a big fan of candies like this. I'm not a big like sweet person. I prefer like chips or, you know, something like that. But I thought this was a cute little thing. It's $3. I think this would also be a great thing for Halloween because everything does come, you know, individually wrapped. So I think that would be perfect for that, but I'm definitely gonna go ahead and throw some of these in people's stockings. Okay, this is actually the last item that I got here. This is from the brand Merci. It's a chocolate bar, but you actually get 4 individual milk chocolate bars inside of this. I thought it'd be great as like a little stocking stuffer thing, so I can take each, you know, individual wrap bar and throw it in like multiple people's stockings. So pick that up, and I think this was like $2, maybe $3, something like that. All right, you guys, so that is everything that I picked up in this Dollarama haul. As always, if you're new to my channel and you're a fan of these kind of videos, I do a bunch. I also have an entire playlist dedicated to this, so if you want to go check it out, I will leave a link somewhere up here. Also, you guys, if you haven't already, definitely go ahead and check out my newest DIY dollar store gift video. I really enjoyed making that video, and I think you'll really enjoy it as well. So I'll also go ahead and link that up here somewhere. But anyways, that is going to be it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe, because I would really appreciate that. Also, if you want to go ahead and keep up with me outside of YouTube, I do have Instagram and TikTok, and I'll go ahead and link those down below. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.